Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you love rice but worry about your blood sugars? If you have diabetes, you're not alone. Rice is one of the most common foods people worry about. But there is a good news for you guys. You don't have to give it up completely. With the right choice of rice, correct cooking method and proper portion size, you can still enjoy rice without sending your blood sugars on a roller coaster. First of all, you have to understand choosing the right rice. Not all rice is the same, you have to understand that. Sometimes raise your blood sugars very quickly, you know that, while others release energy more slowly. The best options for diabetes are para-boiled rice, some basmati rice, Dungara rice you may see in Australia, and some long grain rice from India and Thailand, and some high amylose rice. These are the good ones. These type of rice have a lower glycemic index, which means they don't cause sharp spike in blood sugar. High amylose rice is especially important. Amylose is a type of starch that digests more slowly, helping you feel full or longer and keeping your blood sugar steady. That's the advantage. On the other hand, you have to worry sticky rice, sushi or short grain rice are digested much faster, giving you higher glucose spike. So you have to worry about that kind of rice. So you have to remember, first step is to always rice selection. Second step is cooking the right way. How to cook rice. You all know how to cook rice, but there is a technique. How you cook rice changes how your body processes it. That you have to understand. Here is the step-by-step diabetes-friendly method how to cook rice. First of all, you have to rinse the rice thoroughly under water until the water runs clear. This removes excess surface starch. Simple as that. Then you have to cook it like pasta. How do you cook pasta? Use plenty water, isn't it? Boil just tender, then drain it. This helps wash away more starch and even lowers the amount of arsenic that rice naturally contains. Here's the final diabetes-friendly secret. Keep it a secret. After cooking, spread the rice out. Cool it quickly and refrigerate it for at least 12 hours. So just remember, you can't have it on the same day. So if you cook it in the morning, you can have it next day or even very late. Why? Because cooling turns some of the starch into resistant starch. Resistant starch digests much more slower, so it doesn't spike your blood sugars. Simple. But when you're ready to eat, just reheat the rice until it's steaming hot. Don't worry, reheating doesn't destroy the resistant starch. So the cooking and cooling method is proven. It is healthier for diabetes management. The final and important step is, even with the right rice and best cooking method, portion size still matters. Eating a big plate of rice will raise your blood sugar no matter what type it is. So what you should do? Stick it with smaller portion, 1/3 of a cup. That is per meal. That's enough. 1/3 of a cup per meal. That is small. I know that is small, but handful, but not a mountain. So you have to understand smaller portions. And another important point you have to remember, always pair rice with protein like chicken or fish or eggs or beans. Or even you can add some vegetable which give you fiber. And also try to add healthy fats like olive oil or nuts or avocado. This combination is very good. This combination slow digestion, keep you satisfied and help you prevent sugar spikes. Simple as that. So you have to remember, you have to take something out of this video is choose the right rice. That is paraboil basmati dungar or high long grain rice or high amylose long grain rice, and cook it the right way. Rinse it, boil it with extra water, drain, cool and refrigerate it overnight. Then what you should do, watch your portion size. Simple as that. 1/3 of a cup and add some protein, fiber and healthy fat. It's easy. Then you don't have to worry about sugar spikes. Blood sugars will be well controlled. Still you can enjoy your life while you are struggling with diabetes. So if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share this video with someone who loves rice but want to control their blood sugars better. Thank you very much once again for watching this video. See you soon. Bye.